Hi guys, welcome to another unboxing video with me. It's Vince, so also known as Clown. Call me. So this is just to document the things that I bought on Shopee. Link down below for the item that I bought in case you want it for yourself as well. So I bought. I think this is headset I bought. It's a Logitech headset. So one, just to make sure I got the right item. Anyway, I did hear that this is more of a risk. I did see some comments that some of the people did not like the sound or quality of the headset. So I'm finding that the volume is not that high, but anyways, depends on what. And I'm gonna keep using it after I've tried this. So that the seller can see, I'm carefully opening. I always try to do some wonderful things. Shopee, some of them are not and this is a great deal. I got a 1,000 voucher discount for this. Original price was $5,999 with a discount of $5,999 to $4,999. So you get a 1,000. Hopefully it comes. So my expectation is this headset should be perfect. Purple is one of my favorite colors. Purple, I like blue. This most of the things I buy on Shopee are blue or purple. Slowly opening this. Very secure. A box within a box. This one. I'm really hoping this headset will last. I did check on the physical store. The price is not cheap. It's not really cheap. It was not that bad. Thank you, seller, for sending me. So they sent me a sticker and a receipt as proof of purchase for the warranty. Thank you so much. It's a good job, seller. Thank you so much. It's from G733. Again, I will be showing you the this item. This headset will last. The last headset that I was using was an artist. We hopped. Both for gaming and for work. So it's really sealed. It says keep playing. I will definitely. Let's set. It's good. Don't you just love it? Let's check it. Let's see. It lights up. Anyway, I'm gonna test it out. And one of the great things with this one that I saw advertisement for this was the mic is removable, which is great because, for example, you're just gonna be using this one for music. It's just me to the sound, you're not gonna be using the mic. There is a port here where you can just insert the mic. Just hoping that the quality is good. Again, I will be giving feedback to this if I'm not happy with the quality. You're definitely going to hear because I'm gonna be posting a very, very long comment on the seller's page. So again, link down below. I will be posting this one here about this. Test it out, and then hoping and praying everything goes well. Everything looks good. All items are here. So thank you, seller. And the great thing is they gave me the receipt for this, so that's a good for the warranty. And here in the Philippines, you need to have this. I think anywhere you need to have a receipt. Hopefully, things go well. This will last long. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Have a good day. Bye.